When the world gets too loud, sometimes you have to leave just to remember what silence sounds like. So I'm heading back to the mountains, not to escape life, but to find it again. So, I unpack the car, light the fire, and watch the light return to the room. Outside, the dog's already home. She doesn't need time to adjust. Maybe that's what peace really is. Not something you search for, just something you stop fighting. Good morning. This day starts off fantastic. It's -3 and Vega and I are gonna go for a walk up in the mountains. So I hope this is gonna be a relaxing and nice day, and hopefully we'll get to take some nice pictures as well. So let's go. So I'm heading up to Kyrakampen today. It's 979 meters, so it's not very high. But it's one of those places I keep coming back to. Go! In summer, I ride up here on the bike. Now it's just me, the dog, and the fresh air. There's something about this climb. It clears the noise, one step at a time. Back at the cabin. It's been a long day, but a good one. The kind of day that reminds you why you do this. The dog's done for the day. I think she's had more steps than I did. The fire's going. Nothing fancy, just a couple of hot dogs. But somehow, food always tastes better up here. First snow of the season. Come on. First snow of the season. It never stays for long, just a quiet reminder that winter's on its way. There's something bittersweet about leaving now. The air feels cleaner, the mind's quieter. I could stay, but life isn't here. Not yet. So I'll take a bit of this calm with me. Until next time.
Og du var flink.